TOEFL Integrated Speaking Task 4, Reading, Listening, Academic. First, you will read a short passage about a topic, then the text will disappear, and you will hear a talk about the same topic. Next, you will answer a question about the passage in the talk. Try to answer the question clearly and coherently to show that you understood the passage in the talk. Read the passage. On a piece of paper, take notes on the main points of the reading passage. Listen to the lecture. On a piece of paper, take notes on the main points of the listening passage. Now, as you guys just read, you know that the conflict theory, it challenges the widespread view that a consensus or agreement regarding values, morality, and ideas of deviance exists in society, and that the view is simply the embodiment of this consensus. The conflict theory also rejects the notion that laws serve to benefit and protect everyone in society. Now, it all sounds great, right? Don't be so sure. There are actually some criticisms of this particular theory. First of all, the conflict theory, it doesn't adequately explain the specific processes by which a person becomes a criminal or deviant. It mentions you have basically the haves and the have-nots. You have the capitalist people making all the laws, and then you have the poor people who are working for the capitalists, and refer to these as the working class, but it really doesn't say exactly how somebody in the working class, becomes a criminal to commit crimes. Now, another idea I want to point out. Now, contrary to what the conflict theory claims, laws do not always operate for the exclusive benefit of the elite and powerful. There's a lot of laws in American society which are geared more toward helping the poor. So I think that would directly go in conflict against the conflict theory. Now, a final problem I want to mention about the conflict theory is I don't think there's enough sufficient empirical evidence to actually support that the conflict theory accurately explains how a person in our society becomes a criminal. So essentially, these are probably the three main criticisms of the conflict theory that we know of. According to the lecture, what are three criticisms of the theory proposed in the reading passage?